In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Descript alongside Google to create and manage your audio projects. Let's dive right in and get started by setting ourselves up for success. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Descript's main site. If you already have an account, simply sign in using your credentials. Don't worry if you're new to Descript. Signing up is a breeze and takes just a few minutes. This step is key because having an active account unlocks the full power of Descript's collaborative and user-friendly interface. Once you're logged into your account, your next task is to select your account settings. This step ensures that you're using the proper profile and have access to all your saved projects. With this setup, you're primed to either continue existing projects or start fresh with new ones. Ready to create or continue a project? Click on the Project tab. If you are continuing with a pre-existing project, select it from your list. But if you're starting afresh, just follow the prompts to create a new project. Descript keeps your workspace organized, making your projects easy to manage and navigate. With your project open, it's now time to add audio. Head over to the toolbar and locate the add or plus icon. Click on it and choose the option to upload directly from your computer. This feature is incredibly convenient, allowing you to bring in any audio file from your local storage seamlessly. Simply select the desired audio file you wish to work on, and Descript will take care of the rest. To further enhance your project, explore the media options available in Descript. Clicking on Media lets you integrate alternative audio sources, giving your project a unique touch. Whether you're looking to add background music or enhance a podcast, this flexibility ensures your project stands out. Throughout your project journey in Descript, remember to take advantage of its integration capabilities with Google. This powerful collaboration can streamline your workflow, especially if you're managing multiple projects or working as part of a larger team. Check for anything that might need synchronization or permissions and address them at this stage to prevent any hiccups later on. And voila! With Descript and Google, you've mastered an efficient process for creating and managing audio projects. The possibilities are endless, and with these fundamentals in place, you're ready to explore your creativity. Thank you for joining me in this guide, and I hope these steps have empowered you to take your audio projects to the next level. Until next time, happy editing.